Hey, my friend, I got a quick question for you. Would you rather make $50 in a day? Or how about $2,000 in a day? Well, if you said $50, then you are absolutely insane. But if you are someone that truly wants big paydays online, then you have come to the right video. Because today I'm going to reveal the top 5 high-ticket affiliate products to promote in 2021. With these offers, you could very easily make a full-time income from just a small handful of sales. And as a bonus, if you stay with me towards the end, I'll show you how you can start earning commissions just like these, without a massive following, without spending hours in front of your computer, and even if you're someone that hates selling with a passion, you could still do this. So, let's not waste any more time and dive right in. Okay, so coming in at number 1 in this list is a YouTube course here known as Takeoff. This is a $997 product that pays you up to $500 per sale for every customer that you refer to this. Now, the thing that I absolutely love about this exact program right here is, there's tons of other YouTube courses out there that you could promote as an affiliate. There's tons of other programs that will pay you some decent commissions. But the thing that I absolutely love about this exact training right here is this is the exact program that took my YouTube channel from like 200 subscribers all the way up to over my first 1,000 subscribers within a year. And, a little over a year now, I'm at 4,000 subscribers and I'm consistently generating very good revenue with this exact YouTube channel right here. So if you've been following me for any amount of time, then you know that it's no secret that YouTube is a huge part of my first initial success online. And most of the success that I got with this channel came from this exact course right here. So if you're someone that wants to learn how to grow a profitable YouTube channel, if you want to learn how to have success with any program out there that you want to promote, YouTube, as you probably know, is a very powerful traffic source. And this program, not only does it allow you to earn great commissions by promoting it as an affiliate, but this will also show you how you can promote just about anything else that you want and make good money with that by using the exact strategy that they teach inside of this program right here, right? So this program is a course created by my friend Andy FL, and he is very good when it comes to building profitable YouTube channels. He actually shows you how to do this without ever having to get on camera yourself. So if you don't feel comfortable showing your face on camera, this is a very great newbie strategy to learn. And it shows you how to succeed in any niche, how to succeed with any affiliate offer that you have, and how to get long-term consistent results just in general, right, with your channel and having consistent revenue coming in, right? So I want to show you something really cool actually right here. So I've actually promoted this program in the past, and I've made a couple sales here and there, but what's actually really cool is just recently made another sale of this exact program, and it was without any sort of like notification that I got. So funny story, I was filming a short video for TikTok, right? I was filming like some videos on my phone, right? And I just happened to log into my Digistore account because I was gonna do a short video, and then I seen here on the dashboard that I made a total of $1,399 right here, and I was kind of like, wait a minute, isn't this a number higher than what it used to be like a couple days ago or something like that? So I happened to scroll down, and this actually surprised me. It showed that for this month of May, I've actually earned a $467 commission, which came from this exact program, as you can see right here, right? So this is from the Takeoff course that I promoted right here, and this is just another reason why I absolutely love promoting this as an affiliate, right? So commissions are awesome, the training is actually of really great quality, and this is hands down the best YouTube course that I found out there personally that has really helped me the most. I've taken a lot of YouTube courses, and if you're someone who really wants to grow a profitable YouTube channel, then that's really another great bonus of promoting this as an affiliate. So let's move on to the second one here. The second one this in my list is a program by the name of 4%, and this is the exact program that got me my very first ever breakthrough online. This is the first affiliate program that I ever had any sort of true success with, is this exact community right here. Now 4% has a lot of very great quality, very valuable training showing you how to build an online business, a long-term stable business online in just about any niche that you want to get into. You can promote anything that you want. This shows you primarily like affiliate marketing related training. So if we go to courses right here, we'll find tons of courses here about, for example, getting traffic, getting freedom, how to do communication and copywriting, how to build your email list, how to do affiliate marketing, how to build a tribe online of, passionate people that, that all support you, how to, they've got some training about building up a website, how to do SEO. There's tons of very great valuable training, not just from the creator from this program, but from tons of other big names in the industry as well, like Anthony Morrison. You've got this one other guy from, I forgot what his name was right here, but you got a ton of other big names. I think Les Brown even has a program in here as well, which is also really great. So there's tons of really great trainings you can get into. And just to show you, just to give you an idea, with this exact program right here, I have earned a total of $1,817.48 just from this one income stream alone. And what's interesting is I recently had another sale come through, and this was from someone that I had already referred to the program. They decided to buy something else, so they actually gave me another commission for just, you know, for someone just buying another one of their products, which I didn't do any additional work on my behalf. So that's another great thing about programs like these, you know, where it's more about, you know, an ecosystem. You refer someone to the program one time, anything that they buy right away or like a month or two down the road, a year down the road, you'll still get credit on, which is another great benefit of being an affiliate for 4%. So 4% is a phenomenal program. They've got tons of really great training, and I know for a fact that if you go through the training such as Affiliate Marketing Academy or the 4% Success Challenge or Internet Traffic Academy, you could have phenomenal success with this exact program. And I know that because I've gone through their training myself. I've got great results from them. And if you just take it seriously and you just decide, you know, have a long-term mindset, you just go in, you know, long-term, then you could have phenomenal results with this exact program right here. Now, the third affiliate product that I recommend promoting is actually a physical product that I have right here, and it is called The Secrets Trilogy. This is a collection of books released by the owner of ClickFunnels. His name is Russell Brunson. And these books right here, .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets, all show you proven strategies to build any sort of online business. You know, this even works like brick and mortar business as well, but this teaches you the new skills, you know, of like, you know, how to build a business online. They teach you things like, you know, sales funnels, how to build your email list, how to build a community of people that know, like, and trust you, how to get long-term results with pretty much any business that you're going into. And the thing that I absolutely love about these books right here is that they could be used with just about any business out there, right? So here I have the Expert Secrets book right here, and this is actually my favorite one out of the trilogy right here. If there's one book that I recommend picking up, it is the Expert Secrets book right here, because this pretty much goes over how to build up a community of people that know, like, and trust you, right? So the great thing about promoting this as an affiliate is you could actually give away these books for free if you want to. In fact, there's going to be a link down below where if you want to pick up one of these for free, you know, I'm going to link to this one in the description. You could pick this up for free if you want to. And not only do I recommend picking up this book, but what's also great about this is as you promote as an affiliate, you're actually able to earn as much as almost $1,000 in commissions for each customer that you refer to this exact free book. Now, how does that work exactly? Well, how it works is you give away the book for free, they pay for shipping, and then on the back end, when they pick up the book or when they order, you know, the book for shipping, they will be presented with upsells, you know, for, you know, more valuable stuff that they'll get on the back end if they decide to pick that up, right? So for every upsell that one of your members decides to purchase, you will get commissioned on that. And with the upsells that they have in place, you could actually earn as much as $926 for each customer that decides to buy Expert Secrets. Or same goes with .com Secrets, as you can see right here, as well as the Traffic Secrets book that you see right here, right? So that's the thing that I absolutely love about this book right here. If you want, you could visit the link down below. I'm going to have a link to the Expert Secrets book, which is the one that I love the most. You could pick up this book if you want to. And one of the upsells on the back end will be, you know, you could pick up the other books here for, you know, for like a couple bucks extra, as well as the bonus book, which is the Unlock the Secrets playbook right here that you can get as well, right? So tons of great stuff that you get for the money that you're paying for. And you also get tons of other bonus training as well that goes more deep into all the strategies that they teach inside of each of these books right here. So the Secrets Trilogy is absolutely phenomenal. In terms of, you know, being an affiliate, earning potential is really great. And in terms of the overall knowledge that you're getting, you could take this and apply it to any business and have success with it. So let's actually move on to the next one on this list, which is a program by the name of 7K Metals. Now, the thing that I absolutely love about this exact program right here is that, you know, unlike a lot of other, you know, companies out there, you know, with most other, you know, I guess it's more of like a network marketing MLM type of company. But the one downside with a lot of other companies is that typically most people, they get into it just for, you know, the business side of it. I just want to, you know, promote it as an affiliate and just get some commissions. But with this exact program right here, the product that you're getting is actually something that is actually valuable. It's something that people are, you know, actually interested in. And you could make money with this, not just from the business, but also by collecting these coins as well. So what 7K Metals has to offer right here are these super, you know, valuable coins, these rare coins you could actually pick up. And this is great to build up some like long-term wealth, but you could also, you know, sell these at any point at a higher price. So that's the thing that I absolutely love about these. Of course, I recommend holding on to them as long as you can, but you could also promote it as an affiliate, and there's some pretty good earning potential as an affiliate right here, right? So 7K Metals is a truly phenomenal program, and this one you could have a lot of great success with. So my number one recommended program here is a program by the name of Multiple Income Funnel. Now this program right here, if you're someone who is completely brand new to affiliate marketing, if you've never had any sort of success online before, the thing that I absolutely love about this program is that with this program, they already provide you all, tons of resources that you could use, like capture pages, sales videos, sales funnels. You have free lead magnets you can give away. So this is really great for you if you are someone that doesn't know how to build up sales funnels, if you are someone that doesn't know how to use like funnel builders or email autoresponders or any of these marketing tools that you need to use, then this is perfect because you can simply tap into something that's already working. So the main focus with this program here is you want to get good at driving traffic, getting eyeballs to any of your capture pages that they give you with this exact program right here. The more consistent that you can get eyeballs, the more consistent that you can get people to opt in through your link, then the better your results will be with this program for the long term, right? So this program provides you capture pages, sales videos. They do the email follow-up on your behalf, which is also really great. And with this program, on top of all of that, you're able to earn from 4 income streams just by promoting one link alone, which is absolutely powerful. Just to give you an idea, with just one of the income streams right here, I was able to earn my first 2,525. It's just from one income stream. And there's tons of other members, both veterans and also complete newbies, that are having phenomenal success with. So this is great for you if you want monthly residual income, if you're looking to have $1,000 days, if you're looking to have, $2,000 days, if you want repeat buyers coming in and just buying every single month, getting you consistent sales, then this program is perfect for that, right? So if you want to get access to this, all you have to do is visit the first link down below, and when you enter your email on that page, this will take you over this video right here that'll explain more about how this all works. And if you decide that it's for you, then you could simply go through, you can click this button right here, and you could get started for like 49 bucks a month, right? So that's the really great thing about this program. And when you decide to go through that link down below and you pick it up through my link, I'll also give you some bonus training in here that'll show you how to get access to my exclusive done for you funnels. So if you want to leverage all the funnels that I'm simply using myself to get up and running and help yourself look a bit more unique, you could tap into the funnels that I've made here. Otherwise, I also have additional training like how to become unique, how to drive traffic. I've got some YouTube training right here. I'll also have some other training like, with TikTok, Facebook as well, free traffic strategies, paid traffic strategies. So there's tons of information that I put in here to really help you get up and running. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up. And if you're ready to start getting these big high ticket commissions online that you see right here, then go ahead, click the link down below, get started today, and my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care.